Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change the app icon size on your iPhone. Now, if you wanted the apps to be a bit bigger to be able to see them, the first thing you can do is go to the settings. I'll show you three methods. From here, we're just going to scroll down until you get to display and brightness and tap on that. And now, the first thing that you can do is scroll down and you can see at the very bottom is display zoom. It says, choose a view for iPhone. Larger text shows larger controls. And I can switch this from default over to larger text and hit the check mark. Now can hit use zoomed. Your phone screen will go completely black and then it will turn back on and you'll be able to see everything as a bit bigger. Keep in mind this also increases the size of the text on your phone. So if you don't want the text to be as large, you can always go back out of here and then go to text size and you can bump the text size down if you didn't want that specifically to be as big. However, let's go through some other options if you don't like this option. Let's go back out here and instead of that, let's go back to just the default zoom. Let's go out of the settings. And in here, you can basically make these app icons bigger without anything else being bigger by tapping and holding anywhere on your iPhone screen where there isn't an app. So I'm going to tap and hold towards the bottom, and you can see an edit button at the very top left. I'm just going to tap on that edit button. Tap on edit and then tap on customize. After you've done that, you can see I can change default, dark, clear, etc. And at the top right of this field, you can see those two squares. I can tap on it and you'll be able to see what happens is it makes all of these app icons a bit bigger and it removes the label under it. So instead of settings, app store, etc., I can tap on it and it makes it a bit bigger. However, there's one other way that you can make it even bigger. Let's say you wanted the contact app to be bigger. You can tap and hold on it and you can see it pops up with a bunch of different options. And at the very top are those squares and rectangles. I can tap on one of those and you'll be able to see it switches the app icon to being even bigger. Basically, it turns it into a widget. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.